Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes MicroDrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get MicroDrone off to a flying start.
MicroDrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is MicroDrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, MicroDrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. MicroDrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside MicroDrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to MicroDrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PETA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. PETA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw holes for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PETA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PETA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last year and a half to bring the same video processing technologies to PETA to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PETA. Please join us to make PETA a reality.
Take off. Forward. Backward. Right.
Introducing Freebird 1, the first aerial utility vehicle. Freebird 1 defines the standard of excellence for safety and performance. Designed for consumer and commercial use, Freebird 1 is as easy to operate as it is powerful, while delivering impressive flight times and a combination of safety features that put it into a league of its own. Freebird 1 is much more than a flying camera. Measuring 3 feet in diameter, Freebird 1's advanced, patent-pending carbon fiber surround airframe unrivaled stability, strength, safety, and flight time in a single system. For aerial photography, Freebird 1 accommodates multiple cameras with many flexible mounting options. Key performance features include 360-degree enclosures for the propellers, a 20-pound payload capacity, large flat mounting bays for electronics on each side of the vehicle, all weather-proofed, 70 miles per hour and 3,000 feet per minute vertical top speeds, and flight times reaching 30 minutes. Our state-of-the-art flight control system gives you fully automated flights, your choice of control interfaces, full-featured ground station software for in-flight tracking and control, a wide range of flight modes, and custom flight profiles to match Freebird 1's handling with your uses and skill level. Safety has been at the center of our design since day one. We want to make sure the people and property around you, as well as your investment, are protected. Key safety features include a virtual GPS fence, automatic return to home on loss of radio control, data link, or low battery, dual control links for redundancy and new pilot training, redundant GPS, compass, and power, and auxiliary power to locate the vehicle. We believe it's time to raise the bar for what a UAV should be.
This technology will change the way we live in years to come, and we are leading the way to integrate UAVs into our society in a safe and responsible manner. Freebird 1 is uniquely suited for the task. Its size and strength enable it to stand up to demanding commercial applications while being easy to operate. Welcome to the next generation of UAV flight.
I've been building drones since 2007, and since then I knew that I wanted to create a drone that was waterproof.
We made a waterproof drone with all the sophisticated features that allow you to take beautiful shots and remove the fear of flying over water. The splash drone is rugged, easy to fly, and has autonomous features that make it a blast. We put months into making sure that the features don't add complexity during flight. The splash drone can be flown by anyone, from a phone or the included remote control. Ease of use was at the core of every added feature. We think that you shouldn't have to be an expert to allow your creativity to expand. The idea is to remove the barriers and allow you to lose the fear of flying in different conditions, including flying over water.
What we want to do is a waterproof drone, a splash drone for all people.
We already make a quadcopter that's waterproof, but it doesn't have the features that make it a real drone. So we've added a waterproof camera gimbal, an integrated video transmitter, and a live video feed directly from the GoPro. By displaying location, battery voltage, altitude, and distance right on the remote, you'll always know where the splash drone is and how it's doing. We wanted to make it practical, so we added an emergency flare adapter that allows you to deploy an emergency flare for 15 minutes rather than 15 seconds. Its payload release mechanism is not only fun, but can be used in emergency situations. The splash drone has autonomous functions like follow me mode, plan mission flights, and return to launch location at the flip of a switch. We put a lot of work, time, and energy into the tooling and injection molding process. With your help, we can make the splash drone a reality.